Hi guys again. So I ordered secondhand Dollfie Dream. Yeah, no, I said Dollfies should stop buying them after the first one. um, this time, however, this is not very well. None of previous my Dollfies were very anime kind of style, but this one is. I don't think it's kind of anime-ish looking at all. It's more of a aesthetics of semi real, I would say. And I'm gonna read it because, to be honest, I know nothing about idol models from Dollfie Dreams or anything like that. I'm not sure if it's idol, but it's from 2014, and it's called Magic White Alna After School Akihabara Dollfie Dream. I don't know much about them. I mean, I just like the sculpt, that's why I went for it. It was secondhand, like I said, from the UK, local to me, I guess, seller on eBay. And I think I got a good deal on it, because when I checked Mandarake, this doll, well, it wasn't available for sale, but previously it was sold for, as a second hand, was sold for a little more coins than this one. Let me get the body maybe first. So I think the body is it's supposed to be dynamite for this particular model, apparently, but the seller kind of said that this body gonna be different because we swapped to something to base body 3. Again, I have little idea about different bodies. I know I've got 2 different types of body of Dollfies. Well, 3. One was MDD, and 2 of them are toilet roll. Oh, cool. Oh, recycling. Good. Recycling is good. Doll nudity. I think the YouTube might again restricted to, and they did mention that, and those are the pictures and the stain. YouTube keep restricting my videos. This doll hasn't got the nice kind of Dollfie's vanilla smell, because it's old, I guess. Let me just get something to cover here. I guess that's why they're restricting my videos to 18. So there is a stain here. It's fine, I can swap the hands. There's some staining here. I don't think I had the body like this before. It's pretty old. It's a bit loose, but I guess it's alright. Missing feet, I think. Should be there somewhere. Hopefully. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Feet is good. Oops. Okay. Let's maybe uncover her head now. Do you see what I mean? It doesn't look like anime. Well, ish. I quite like this sculpt. I like the lips. And apparently there was ears pierced as well. But I think they went green because obviously somebody put some metal in there. But so it says 2010 Volkswagen Corporation Japan. Okay, so I don't think the original eyes, but and these were applied as well. Apparently, so the head had some custom face up. It's just the gloss on the lips, perhaps. And yeah, the seller said there was some eyelashes applied. It's okay. I probably changed the eyes, but quite pretty. Shall I put something on her and I'll show you what she looks like with the clothes on? Just quickly dress her up. And the girls, so this is Tova. She's in dynamite body, DFFF something, F3 I think. What, I don't know. And this is the Karen, and she's I think the standard DS something body, and she has got different busts. So originally she arrived with a medium bust and I just swapped it to a bigger one. But I guess this doll should have been on this body, I think. There is a different types of dynamite body as well, which is probably a generation before that one, I guess. But anyway, she looks quite different, if you see what I meant about the anime kind of style. The eyes probably, yeah, biggish, but the other facial features actually more like a semi-real. And another thing interesting, so the neck, I mean, obviously the height difference. And the neck, how the neck is quite thick compared to the other two. And that's why her head kind of sits funny. She's a bit wobbly, like a bobblehead. Unless, actually, I think they're the same. I think they're all the same anyway. So that's the trio of the girls. I'm really pleased about this sculpt. I really like her. She is quite it's got some features quite unusual for a doll, I think. Thanks guys for watching. Leave the comment if I'm wrong about the bodies or something, and if you know more information about this particular lady, it'll be cool, because I couldn't find much of it on the internet and I'm not really into anime, so I wouldn't know what it actually represents, but it will be interesting to learn. Thanks guys for watching, and bye.